The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 continues to push the envelope in the Superbike segment with a series of updates focused on both performance and design. At the heart of the machine is an enhanced 1099cc V4 engine that now delivers an impressive 220 horsepower at 13,100 revolutions per minute, a small yet significant increase over the previous model's 217 horsepower. Torque output remains robust at 92.2 pound-feet at 10,800 revolutions per minute, ensuring that riders experience smooth and explosive acceleration across the rev range. These engine tweaks, along with refined internal tuning, further establish the RSV4 as one of the most track-focused and exhilarating motorcycles on the market. Aprilia has maintained its commitment to rider-focused electronics, featuring the advanced APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, system. This includes multi-level traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine brake control, and multiple riding modes. The bike also retains its 6-axis IMU for precise rider input monitoring and improved cornering apps. A bi-directional quickshifter and cruise control enhance the experience for both track days and longer rides. Visually, the 2025 RSV4 is just as striking. While no red color option has been introduced this year, the standard RSV4 is available in two vibrant schemes: Poison Yellow, which contrasts gray bodywork with vivid yellow accents, and Stingray Blue, which blends electric blue with sporty red details. The RSV4 Factory model comes exclusively in the more aggressive dark Kraken finish, giving it a stealthy, premium aesthetic. Both versions feature aerodynamic winglets integrated into the fairings, enhancing downforce at high speeds. The chassis remains largely unchanged, still using the lightweight aluminum twin-spar frame known for its balance and precision. Combined with Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension and Brembo-style McCalipers, the RSV4 continues to offer razor-sharp handling and supreme braking performance, reinforcing its status as a leader in the superbike world.